नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल पेज नंबर 10 पे नेशनल जुडिशल अपॉइंटमेंट्स कमीशन NJAC के बारे में। सो बोलते हैं कि व्हाट वाज द NJAC। अगस्त 2014 में पार्लियामेंट पास द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 99th अमेंडमेंट एक्ट अलॉन्ग विद द नेशनल जुडिशल अपॉइंटमेंट्स कमीशन एक्ट which together provided for the creation of an independent commission to appoint judges to the Supreme Court and High Courts. This commission was to replace the collegium system. The two bills were ratified by the required number of the state legislatures and got the President's assent on December 31, 2014. Articles 124 and 217 of the Constitution of the Indian Constitution deal with the appointment of judges to the Supreme Court and High Courts of the country. Article 124 Clause 2 states, every judge of the Supreme Court shall be appointed by the President after consultation with the judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court. So while the collegium system itself does not figure in the Constitution, its legal basis is found in three Supreme Court judgments, usually referred to as the judges' cases. In order to replace this system, which received criticism over the years for its lack of transparency among other provisions, the Constitution 99th Amendment Act introduced three primary articles. Article 124A, which created the NJAC, a constitutional body, to replace the collegium system. Article 124B, which conferred the NJAC with the power to make appointments to courts. And Article 124C, which accorded express authority. In August 2014, Parliament passed the Constitution 99th Amendment Act along with the National Judicial Appointments Commission Act, which together provided for the creation of an independent commission to appoint judges to the Supreme Court and the High Courts. This commission was to replace the collegium system. In early 2015, the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association SCAORA filed a plea challenging the provisions which had by then become law. The SCAORA contended in its petition that both the acts were unconstitutional and valid. फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है कि अंडर द NJAC एक्ट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया एंड चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट्स वर टू बी रिकमेंडेड बाय द NJAC on seniority, while Supreme Court and High Court judges were to be recommended on the basis of ability, merit, and other criteria specified in the regulations. Notably, the Act empowered any two members of the NJAC to veto a recommendation if they did not agree with it. In the collegium system, senior most judges make appointments to the higher judiciary.